Just before we look at the TA for Bitcoin, don't forget to visit our website, bpoi.uk. Have a look around, quite a lot of information on the website, and then you've got click here to sign up, so just click on this particular button. That takes you to bpoi.uk join. And then just have a look at the membership plan. So just want to do a month, $40, 6 months, $100, 12 months, $150. And we got some lifetime memberships as well, 49 lifetime memberships left, $200, so well worth the money. And then obviously take a look around the website and look at the different channels. If you want to join our free Telegram channel, just click on this button here. And then as long as you've got a Telegram account, just click on the view in Telegram and that'll take you to our free channel. We do post quite a bit of information in the free channel, and we'll answer any of your questions, whether that be on a setup that you're looking at or something that we've posted. Okay, cheers guys. Evening, 8 o'clock on the 15th. Apologies for the late one, late TA on Bitcoin. Couldn't get an update to you until right now. Just sat down looking at the price action. We've seen some strong moves up from Bitcoin, which is good. Remember, we had that death cross. Everyone thinking that we were going to enter the bear market once that death cross took place. Not the case. However, we're still very much in a bearish trend. Okay, so we're just looking at the moment to see whether we can break through this trend line 43,588. Key level in my opinion. Okay, so if we can break out and hold this level, test this level a couple of times, turn it into support, there's a strong possibility that we will challenge this upper trend line of the falling wedge that we've been trading in. So this falling wedge has been the long-term pattern that Bitcoin has been trading in for some time now. So we're looking to see if Bitcoin can make one more move up and change 43,588 into support, so flip it from red to green. We are facing some resistance. We've had a second test now, so the 4-hour chart. So over the last 8 hours, we've been testing this particular resistance level, and it seems to be trying really hard right now to. So look at the 15-minute chart. It seems to be trying really hard to try and break through this particular trend line, which is a strong sign for Bitcoin. However, it's key that we break out of this falling wedge. Okay. So we've been in this falling wedge as discussed before, bottom touch, top touch, and then basically we've been bottom top, okay? Are we going to see a rejection at this level and a move down to the bottom trend line, or a rejection at this level? We need to try and maintain this yellow trend line, which is a long-term trend line. Are we going to see a rejection? Just a move down here, break out, and then potentially this fractal that you can see in the background. This is what I think. This is my personal opinion. I think we're going to see a double bottom. So I think we're going to see the bottom here, and I think we're going to see another double bottom here. So I think we'll see a breakout, a move down, and a retest of either the trend line or this lower area here. Okay, so circa, let me just draw in a line right now. Horizontal line, like so, circa this area here. Okay, so 40,000 area, 40,622. I just think we're going to see that double bottom before we see a move out and upward continuation and hopefully trend reversal, bullish Bitcoin. So that's my expectation right now. I'm just actually going to plot this on the chart a little bit better. So I'm going to zoom in very quickly, like so, horizontal tool, and I'm just going to say around about this area here, 40,603. Just going to get my curve tool as well, and then I'm just going to say, okay, I'm looking for some sort of double bottom in this area, right around about here. That's my expectation. Now we could see Bitcoin, and this is a difficult thing at the moment. We're not sure. It's mixed feelings in the market with regards to whether we have hit the bottom here or whether we're going to bottom out again. So this trend line is absolutely key as to whether we get rejected here, move down, try again, move down, and then move up. If we do see a breakout, we're looking for volume. We're looking for a large volume spike, and we're looking for a push up and then a retest of support. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, okay, we're looking for a breakout and a retest of 44,500, so 44,500. This is where we got rejected the other day. Okay, so this is going to be key resistance level, psychological level, perhaps round number. Okay, so we're just looking for a breakout of this falling wedge, retest 44,500, and then a move up. Okay, This level for me is absolutely key. So this is game changing level. So if we can get above this level and hold this level and continue on upwards, then we're in a bullish phase as long as we can maintain that level. Okay, so mark this on your charts, 45,432. That's key. We're breaking out of this level now. Let's see if we can turn it into support. Let's challenge this upper trend line, and then let's see if we can get above 44,500, resistance B4. And if we can, let's hold it. I'll be happy to consolidate here for a while before we push on upwards. Failing that, we're going to see a rejection, and we're going to see this sort of move downwards before potentially we break higher. Okay, keep an eye on we've got the 100 simple moving average here. That's going to act as resistance as well. And then on the daily, let's just have a look on the daily. So no SMA levels on the daily. Okay, I mean, we need to be trading above the 250 ideally. Long way to go, long way to go. But promising moves from Bitcoin. We could do right now with putting in higher high. So if we can break out and put in that higher high here, you know, again, we're looking at this sort of pattern. Okay, so we've got a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, if we put in a lower high here, expect more downside. Okay, so keep an eye on these levels. Crucial time for Bitcoin. All coins have been moving particularly well, but I think right now we're trading on a resistance level. Let's see if we break through and hold. And then just bear in mind we've got this upper trend line and we've got this key level 44,500, which was acting as resistance for us before. Also remember, it's the weekends of volatility on the weekend, particularly tomorrow night being a Sunday before the markets open on Monday. Okay, so just keep an eye on those. Bitcoin dominance is moving down. This is why altcoins have been moving better. So Bitcoin dominance has been moving down, but we're hitting this lower level again, 39.55. Are we going to see another bounce? Okay, so keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. Shorts, fortunately, I believe have been dropping, although increasing slightly again. So keep an eye on Bitcoin shorts. So these are shorts on the Bitfinex exchange, which is one of the biggest exchanges for shorting the market. So you keep an eye on Bitcoin shorts. And then Ethereum BTC, not much movement there. It's making some progress with Bitcoin at the moment, so correlated with Bitcoin. You know, same with Ethereum USDT. Mnet has pumped, so we've had an alert on Mnet and our take profit channel, so keep an eye on Mnet. I'll just bring this into play. Keep an eye on Matic as well. So this is Mnet, we just saw that TP1 hit, 24% alerted in the channel. Likely to see a retest of 654, 0.0654. Let's see if that retests and starts to move higher. We do these setups for people in the group. If we just go to the 8-hour chart reset, okay. This is a fairly modest, if you like, trading setup. So we've got TP1 to 4. These are our target. These are our target levels set before sort of fib level lines, and we've got TP. Just hit TP1, likely to hit TP4. Obviously, depending on how Bitcoin does. Keep an eye on block as well. I'm expecting a move from block fairly soon. Metaverse has been moving quite well. This is one of our other setups on block, so you can see obvious pattern going on here, falling wedge, just waiting for a break of this upper trend line, and then we're looking to tick off some of these take profit levels. Okay, so we've got roughly 181% back to the top of the chart. If you look at how block has run before, I'm fairly confident once block starts, it will keep running. So Bitcoin dependent. We need a Bitcoin breakout. We need Bitcoin to be bullish, essentially for block to be taking out these take profit levels. But there's just 2 of our setups that we post in group, and we post a lot more than that. So if you do want to join, visit the website. If you've got any questions, just join the free channel or email us at admin@bpoi.uk. Okay, gonna leave it there. Just keep an eye on these levels right now. Let's turn this level into support for Bitcoin. We got the upper trend line. Okay, key that we break that upper trend line, and don't forget these additional resistance levels: 44,500, 100 SMA on the 4-hour chart, and 45,432. Just need to break above that level. That is a key level. Lots of resistance. I think the bears will be lined up in this area, and that might be the case. It may be the case that we move up to this level, and that's the level where we are pushed back down, and that sort of marries up with a fractal. Okay, so we move up to this level, pushed back down again before we move higher. Okay, personally I think we're going to see another bottom before we move higher. I can't see at the moment, it's just my opinion, but I can't see us breaking out here and continuation higher. Doesn't really fit with all the other breakouts that we've had when we've been in this sort of bearish cycle. So I am expecting a move lower. That's not to say it's going to happen, but that's my expectation. Okay guys, so we will do another update tomorrow, and safe trading. Cheers.